What's up guys, welcome back to our React Native mobile application course. Once again, thanks to everyone who helped me hit my first 100 subscribers. Love a beautiful face. In our previous tutorial, we explained React Native files and folders. I've also done a video on getting started with React Native course. I'll link all in the description below. In today's tutorial, we'll learn the basic components in React Native. With that being said, let's get started. From the first line of code, it says import React from React. Since we want to use some libraries from React, we need to do so. We need to also import some basic components like the view, style sheet, text from React Native. This time around, we are importing it from React Native, not from React. Notice, and also we've also declared a function from the fourth line of code. It's another function which returns a view. The view is more or less like a div. If you have experience with the HTML, within that view, there is a text which says open your app.js to start working on your app. So if you want to write some text, you need to use the text component. There are two ways of styling. We have the inline styling and we have the one using the style sheet. If you want to stick with the style sheet, you need to import it from React Native. With the inline styling, you give it a style which is equal to, this time around is 2 curly braces. Then you proceed to give it a style. The code explained can be simplified when you run these snippets. React Native functional export components with a style sheet in simple form rnfex, then you press enter. So you can install it from the extensions. You search for ex7 react /react/graphql /react native snippet. We also have the text input components which allow users to enter a text. It consists of a number of properties. We have the placeholder, we have the on-chain text, we have the secure text entry, we also have the keyboard type, value, and also the type of the text as well, it being a number, date, or a calendar. The touchable opacity component, it makes it feel like something is being clicked. It works similar way as the button. We also have a button as well as a component in React Native.
I sit by myself.